Good morning. Today my topic is air compressors and working principles of single stage single acting compressors. So definition of compressors. The first one is a compressor ratio. The mentioned earlier, the compression ratio is the ratio of volume of the cylinder before compression to the volume of after compressions. In the simple term, it just show how much gas compressed. This is a compression ratio. The compression ratio equal to volume of the compressions divided by volume of after compression. That means before compression of volume and after compression of volume. The high compression ratio is a great compression of the gases. Low compression ratio is a less compression of the gases, which can lead to high pressure output, low pressures applications for the lower pressures. Next one is a compressor capacity. This is the refer to amount of air that a compressor move compare with in a given time. It typically measured the cubic feet per minute or liter per minute. Compressor capacity CFM, volume of air delivered divided by time taken to deliver. This indicate how much air compressor supply, which helps in the selecting the correct size of compressor for applications. Next one is a free air deliver. Free air deliver is the actual volume of the delivered by the compressor standard conditions. Typically 1 atmospheric pressure and 20 atmospheric pressures. Temperatures adjust for the compression process. Since the compressors, the volume delivered at the point use will be higher than the volume of compressor discharge. FAD gives a clear pictures of a volume of air compressor delivered to the systems. Next one is the swept volume. Swept volume is equal to bore area into stroke length. The swept volume refer to the total volume of gases or air that is displaced or moved by the compressor pistons during one full stroke. It's often measured in a liter per stroke or cubic strokes. The swept volumes give an indications of how much air compressors can theoretically move during one cycle before consider a factor like leakage and efficiency. Next one is a volumetric efficiency. The volumetric efficiency refers to the efficiency of a compressor in terms of how much of the swept volume is actually filled it with air. It measures how efficiency compressor draws in a air compared to the full theoretical capacity. The volume of efficiency equal to swept actual volume intake divided by swept volume. 100% of volumetric efficiency means compressor fill it entire swept volume of each cycle. Next one is the isothermal efficiency. The isothermal efficiency refer to the performance of a compressor when the temperatures of air remaining are constant during the compressor. Mechanical efficiency, useful mechanical output divided by input mechanical output, that is called as a mechanical efficiency. Next one is a single stage working principles of air compressor. This is a construction of single stage air compressor. This is a single stage air compressor. Generally, the single stage air compressor, the compression of the air occurs in just one stage. The meaning the air is compressed from the inlet pressure to desired discharge pressure in single steps. The working principle, the first one is a suction, compression, discharge. During the suction, the compressors draw air through intake valve into the cylinder. Compression, the pistons move downward or rotor moves. Discharge, the compressed air is pushed out of the cylinder through the discharge valve into storage or tank systems. Next one is the advantages of single stage compressor. Simple in the lower initial cost, simple design, suitable for moderate operations, wide range of studies, simple designs, single stage compressors have a fewer parts or less complex than the multi compressors. That means a lower initial cost means because of simplicity of the design, single stage air compressor generally less expensive. Compact size, they take up the less space, making them ideal smaller applications. Next one is a quick start. Since the compression is a process that happens in one step, they can deliver quickly. Disadvantages, limited process output, lower efficiency, lower efficiency. These are the disadvantages of a single staging compressor.